We are hosting France as a practice facility for FIFA World Cup.
I felt good that when France came out here, they were like, wow, this is a nice field.
Yeah, it's an honor.
Definitely exciting and nerve-wracking. We have to take the next 2 months and really make sure we hit all our goals with grass and make sure it'll be ready for them. But it's exciting. Like it's a big deal.
It's already in really good shape, and we're trying to make it usable for professionals. We're following the FIFA standards. It's all about the ball speed when it comes to FIFA. They play mostly on almost 100% on natural grass fields.
Natural grass fields, the ball plays differently than synthetic fields.
Natural is just more forgiving. It's safer, more consistent. Trying to grow the best grass we can to have, the most even playing surface for them.
And they want to keep them as close to game ready as possible. So there's not a huge transition from a practice to a game field.
And our pitch really didn't need any renovation work. They were able to come in here last minute and make the decision to come here because of the quality of our turf. Getting the answer in March is a little tight and a little nerve-wracking. The day they were here, week prior, we had a foot of snow on the ground. We seed the entire field in 2 different directions with Kentucky Bluegrass, a Ryegrass, and also a Fescue grass. We'll be rolling the field and then doing a lot of watering right now to try to grow it in. They're monitoring moisture levels, making sure that the seed's always wet, doing some light top dressing, and they're also doing some hand seeding to fill in areas that are not filling in as quickly.
So right now we're just trying to grow the field to where it needs to be for their first practice, and right now we're adding fertilizer to make sure we keep to our spray program, make sure the field's mowed. We're not introducing any growth regulator yet because we want any seedlings to grow right now and make sure we fill in any low spots or any thin spots. And once we hit that area, then we can go, okay, slow it down and just maintain it right here. Like freeze it in time and we're good here. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting, and hopefully when this is all done, it'll be a great thing to look back on.